And you're drinking the rest of it?
Yeah.
Let me see this. What? What are you doing? You had to give a sample for school, and so you just took the stuff you needed. And what are you doing with the rest?
I'm drinking it.
What? I don't believe you. Let me see. Drink it. I don't want to. Oh,
What is that even?
it's urine, honey.
No. Do you want to try it?
Yeah, let me just smell it.
Let her smell it.
It smells like you want to try it, Elliot?
No.
So did you learn at school that pee is... Did you learn at school that pee was good for you? Or something?
Well, yeah, it has a lot of protein.
Oh. Here, let me try a taste. It's kind of salty, but it's not so bad.
No.
Try some, Elliot.
No.
Elliot, maybe it'll make you feel better.
I don't want it.
Elliot, look at me.
I'm not gonna do it.
You're not going to do what?
Drink it.
Drink what?
Drink pee.
Elliot, tell me that you're not going to drink it or I'm going to make you drink it.
I'm not gonna drink it.
What?
That big.
Look at me, Elliot. Elliot, look at me. Oh, come on, just be brave. You're a science boy. Elliot.
No.
April.
It's lemonade. You.